They opened the cell, kicked me and asked, "You did not die?"
It took place in the summer of 2014 when Oleksandr lived in occupied Luhansk. He participated in pro-Ukrainian rallies. In August 2014, unknown people burst into his house and brought him to the basement of the local regional state administration, which was being used by militants as a prison. Beaten for several hours, Oleksandr lost consciousness.
I regained consciousness when it was completely dark. I was wet and my hands were still tied. I was laying on something soft. I thought they gave me something and I was surprised about it. But they didn't give me anything. The side of my body was so swollen that it was soft to lay on it.
Oleksandr says that the tortures were organized by Arkadiy Korniyevsky, who worked as an officer of Ukraine's security service until 2004. At the beginning of the war, he joined Russian-led militants and became an investigator in the so-called Luhansk People's Republic. This is rare footage of one of Korniyevsky's operations. It shows him entering a house of a local resident along with armed men. They brought him to an unknown place. The testimony of witnesses and various video and photo evidence allows Ukrainian law enforcement officers to investigate the case. It was sent to court in 2015.
The proceeding was carried out without a suspect, as he was in the city of Luhansk, which is not controlled by Ukraine. Korniyevsky was invited to court hearings several times. Notices were even posted on the website of the Prosecutor General's office and the national newspaper Urядовий Кур'єр.
Korniyevsky was put on the wanted list, but the court suspended the proceedings, claiming that he did not have access to case materials. However, legal experts have a different opinion. They say that lawyers who were in the courtroom during the trial could have helped Korniyevsky become familiar with the details of the case.
According to the Criminal Procedural Code, the court must search for the suspect, not investigators. The court communicates with lawyers. They ask a lawyer, "Where is the suspect? Did you tell him that he had to come to the court?" "Yes, we informed him." He doesn't want to come? Then farewell.
Court rulings on the suspension of a trial in absentia cannot be appealed. Oleksandr and other captives held by Korniyevsky want this law to be amended so that their torturer could be found guilty in absentia. They sent a complaint to the Constitutional Court. Reported by Mariam El Hassan Ali for UATV.